we have learned some basic geometrical figures. Now, let me revise that first. First figure, we have introduced about the point. So, I have told you point. Suppose this is point A. So, this point, a tiny dot, is called a point. A tiny dot is called a point. Second figure, this is a line segment. So, this is line segment PQ, or we read it as seg PQ. So, it has two end points. This is called a line segment. Third figure is a line. So, line, it has two arrows to its both sides. That means it doesn't have limit. We can extend it to its further side. So, we can read it as a line PQ. Now, here again I am going to show you some figures. This is a point. Here I have drawn some points, point P, point T and point A. Next is the line segment. So, this is a line segment AB and this is line AB, or this is second figure is line PQ, or we can read it as a line L. What is the difference between line segment and line? Now, you know the figures, okay? So, this is line segment. One line segment and one line. So, just observe the figures. For example, this is line segment A and this is line AB. Now observe the figures and just tell me what is the difference between the line segment and line. So what we can see? First difference, I can say it has limit. This line segment, it has limit. This point A and point B. These are its end points. And it line, for line you can say it doesn't have limit. It doesn't have limit. Okay. Then this is the first difference. Second difference, it has two end points. It has two end points. And here it doesn't have end point. Line doesn't have end point because we can extend it to its further side. It doesn't have any limit. So, line segment, it has two end points, and line, it doesn't have end point. We can extend this line segment? No. So, we cannot extend it to its further side. And here we can extend it to its further point. So if you see the difference, if you remember this difference, then it will be more clear about these two figures to you. So this difference is there between the line segment and line. So I hope you must understood. Now let me introduce one new geometrical figure to you. So today we will see one new geometrical figure, that is ray. So see here, students, look at this picture. Look at this picture. What do you see? This is the picture of sun and this is the picture of torch. So, rays starting from the sun go forward in all directions. Rays starting from the sun goes forward in all directions. Even light rays from the torch also start from a point and go forward continuously in one direction. It starts at one point and it forward continuously to its one side only. So this is the example of sun and this is the example of stars. These are the examples of rays. So what is meant by rays? So here I will draw the figure of rays. This is a ray. Here I can give the name PQ. So what is meant by ray? A ray is a part of light. It is a part of a light. A ray is a part of a light. It starts at one point. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. So the starting point, this is our starting point. The starting point of a ray is called its origin. The starting point of a ray is called its origin. So here point C is the origin of this ray. Then an arrowhead is drawn here. This is an arrowhead. This is drawn to show that the ray is infinite in the direction of Q. This arrowhead shows that the ray is infinite in the direction of Q. And we can read the figure of this ray as ray PQ. Ray PQ. This is the ray PQ. Here, students, you have to note down one point. The ray PQ. Here, this is the figure of ray PQ. So the ray PQ we cannot read as the ray QP because I have told you the ray, it has its origin point, and which is the origin point. From that point onwards only we can read the name of the ray. So the ray PQ is not read as ray QP. As ray QP. So remember this point. The ray PQ is not read as ray QP. Why? Because it starts from its origin, and while reading, we can read from its origin point only. So this is the ray PQ. If I draw one more figure for you. Now, if I draw the figure, here. So how can you read this name of ray? Here which is the origin, here it is the origin, and this side is the arrowhead. So we can read this ray as a ray VA. Ray VA. So this is all about the ray. So this is a ray VA. So remember here, again I will repeat this. A ray is a part of a light. It starts at one point and goes forward continuously in the same direction. The starting point of a ray is called its origin. The starting point of a ray is called its origin. So here is in the figure B is the origin. And here an arrowhead is drawn. It shows that the ray is infinite in the direction of Q. And the figure can be read as ray, here ray VA. So this is all about the ray. So students, we have learned about the many new geometrical figures, that is point, then line segment, line and the ray. Now I will give some assignment based on this. So for example, now I will draw one figure to you and then you have to tell me the name of that figure. Here, this is one figure. This is one figure.